We know our numbers. We know what we can do because you and I talk and we communicate within the team. And if I know look, we're competing on a home that has multiple offers, and that still does happen. This is still a very competitive market out there. If we need to rate a 7-day loan approval, and I call you and I know you've got my back, if you say I can do it, I can do it. And we get everything done in those 7 days, including the appraisal.
Yes.
Explain what happens in reference to getting them actual loan approval in that 7 days.
When you have a 7-day finance contingency, the contract states you need to get a loan commitment with an appraisal within that 7 days. Now, a loan commitment is easy for me to get. It's a loan approval with very minor conditions or just a clear to close, which with our turn times and our underwriting and our strong pre-approvals, we're very confident to get. 7 days is no problem. But like you mentioned, the appraisal is out of our control. So what we do is as soon as the contract is executed, that clock starts to tick, and we have 7 days, we order a rush on the appraisal immediately. As soon as you sign your disclosures, the appraisal is already ordered, and we will typically get those appraisals back, I would say 3 to 5 days on a rush. We will pay for the rush. We will order all of our appraisals on a rush, even if you have a 30-day finance contingency.
Well, we want to know.
Right, exactly.
Right?
No one wants to waste your time. I mean, everyone wants to know.
Right.
Did you buy the home at a fair market value? But more than that, is there going to be any problems that come into your transaction? You don't want a problem 3 weeks or even 2 weeks into the process. So we order the appraisal immediately. Whether it's a 7-day contingency or a 14-day contingency, it's a rush on everything.
And this gives the seller a lot of confidence knowing that the contingencies have been met. So we could be competing with someone who even comes in with a stronger offer money-wise, but we have the better terms, and they go with our better terms for the reason of they know at the end of 7 days or 14 days, this is locked in, solid deal, appraisal has been done, any negotiation that needed to be done with that appraisal is now completed, and they're going to the closing table.
Especially when you're competing with cash offers, which in Florida, it's mainly cash offers.
It is.
Right? So if you're competing against a cash offer and you're financing, especially if the seller or the listing agent had a bad experience with financing, which is also extremely common, you want to have a short finance contingency. And we will also call
Yes, I was just going to say that. So we literally put together a call, we put together an email, we do our due diligence with the selling agent representing you as the buyer so that they know that they have 100% commitment on our side. We communicate with them every step of the way. Every step of the way. From the first time that we send the text message to the offer being sent, you immediately get on the phone, you call the selling agent, and you let them know who you are and how you're going to handle the process, and that makes all the difference.
Of course. These are things that buyers don't really see, but it's so crucial to the entire process. That phone call can make or break whether or not they take our offer.
Yes.
Especially if you're in a competing offer situation. I mean, how many times do you call someone from pre-approval, they don't answer the phone or get back to you at all, right? So when you're in a multiple offer situation, a cash offer situation, multiple finance offer situation, now when you have a lender that calls and also with competitive terms on the contract that you're going to meet because your lender not only communicates, but is also going to put even their own money on the table to help meet those contingencies, that's when you give all parties the confidence and you can actually secure that property.
Absolutely. As a listing agent, I send you every single offer. Now you may be thinking, why? What if he's not doing the mortgage? Well, I have to verify everything.
Of course.
And how many times have we had to do a rescue loan because the other side did not communicate, did not do their job, and things go wrong when you don't communicate and you don't order what you need to order. So having the team behind us and being able to depend on you to verify things, it's the best team possible. So between Smart Mortgage and Buy Sell Diva, we have every single box checked so that you can be successful in your real estate transaction.